Hello everyone. So this is our first experiment where we want to configure our environment. So we will be using two softwares actually. One is Arduino IDE and another is Proteus to simulations. So if we want to use Arduino in Proteus simulation, then we need to include Arduino libraries. So we will be describing step by steps. So first step, we need to install Proteus software. So I will be sharing with all of you the files. Here is the files. So this Proteus 8.6 SP2 Professional. So you will just install this software, and the installation process is just like any other normal softwares. So it will be easier, I believe. So you should install this Proteus 8.6 SP2 Professional. I already installed in my computer, so I'm not showing how to install this because it is a easy process. And second, we need to check whether the Arduino library is already installed. Basically, if you install the Proteus software, then there won't be included this Arduino library. However, I will show you so how to check. And so I need to open my Proteus software. Okay, I am opening the Proteus software. So Proteus, and always remember you should always this run as administrator. So I right clicked on Proteus A, then running as administrator. Otherwise, you may face some difficulties when simulating in Proteus environment. Okay, I already written it here. Always open Proteus as run as administrator. Next, we'll focus in this section. So we will try to identify whether Arduino is available or not. So I think already Proteus is opened here. This is the window when Proteus opens. So I am opening a new project here. So I'm clicking new project. It is initializing the project wizard. Okay, so this is the project name. I am keeping at lab 0 installation, and next is the path. So I'm browsing it to this lab 0. Here I will save my project. So this is would be a new project. Next, and this is the template. So I will use the default template. And we are not working with any PCB layout, so do not create PCB layout. Next, we are also not working with any firmware project, so no firmware project. Then next, so here is the summary. We are only working with the schematic diagram, that is the simulations. So next, finish. So this is the schematic capture environment where we generally draw our circuits and projects to simulate. So this P denotes to pick some components. So here, if I write Arduino, then Arduino boards are not available. These Arduino are different things. Anyway, so Arduino boards are not available. I need to insert those Arduino library. So I written here, yes, so Arduino library is installed. So no, we didn't find the Arduino library. Now in order to install this, I already written the process. Now I will show you here. So in this file section, Arduino library files, so there are two files. One is .lib, another is .idx. I need to copy or paste. So I have copied this, copy it, and I need to paste it at a different location, which would be the library of Proteus 8 installation. So the directory is like this: in C drive, program files, then lab center electronics, then Proteus 8 professional, then library. So in this library environment, you need to paste the two files. So I have pasted, and it is asking for permission. I have given. So it is pasted here, Arduino IDX, Arduino library. So basically you need to go in this direction. C program files, lab center electronics, Proteus 8, then library, then you need to paste it here. I already written it in our lab sheet here. This is a typical directory, but if in your computer it is different, don't worry, you need to put those files in the library sections. Now, so I'm restarting my Proteus to have Arduino. So now I'm again starting Proteus, right click, then run as administrator. Yes. Yes, so it is available now. I don't need to create new project because I already created this one, lab 0 installation. So I'm clicking this one. You can also click on open project and open this. Anyway, so now if I want to pick component and if I write Arduino, so here this emulator, under this emulator, 3 Arduino boards are available: Arduino Uno, Arduino Mega 2560R3, and Arduino Mega 1280. So in today's experiment, I will use Arduino Uno and R3. So I need to double click on this Uno R3. So when I double click this one, these components already appears in my components list so that I can use it in my simulations. So since we already configured our Proteus to include Arduino library, so we may draw a simple circuits. But before that, I think you know that in order to program this Arduino, we need Arduino IDE, which I already given here, Arduino IDE, this one. So you need to install this software just like any other normal software. So after installation, the Arduino will be like this, Arduino, this one. So you can open this. And when we usually works with hardware Arduino boards, then we basically connect through USB. We basically connect our hardware through USB, but we are working with simulation right now. That's why we need another type of file, which is called hex file. We need to show that hex file in our Proteus. So I will mention this step by step, so don't worry. So first of all, in order to generate this hex file, I need to go here, file, then preference here. So here I need to tick marks these two things. One is compilation and upload. When you first open Arduino, basically these two are unticked. I already ticked before, that's why this I'll write this. So you need to tick this one and then you need to OK it so that you can generate the hex file. I already written this instruction here, so don't worry. So this is the instruction. You need to go to file preference, then you need to tick those, and then you need to take these two things, compilation and upload, and OK, so that you can find hex file. So I will show you hex file. Now we will design these circuits. These circuits actually a blinking project, so this LED will blink automatically, and there is a default program. An example program is given in Arduino environment. So I'm showing you first of all, in order to open blink example file, you need to go examples and then basics and then blink. So click on blink and then you need to compile this program. So don't worry about this program. I'm not demonstrating this one in this experiment because I'll be describing all of these lines and all of this syntax in next experiments. So this tick marks, this is denoting verify. I need to click on this verify. So this is compiling case. If you notice here, the program is called ECE in terms of Arduino terminology. So it is compiling. Since it is the first time I'm compiling after opening Arduino now, that's why it is taking a little bit more time. So done compiling. So whenever the compilation is done, you should find the hex file in this area. So I'm going into right sides this one hex. So C users Rakib app data something something dot hex. So you need to copy this location. So I have selected this, then I am pressing Ctrl C in my keyboard, so it is copied. So the hex file location, I have copied this and I need to put this in Proteus. So I am going to Proteus now here. So we will build a simple project. So to build this, we need Arduino. I already included this in components. Next, I need a red LED. So a red LED. Okay, LED. There's a red LED. You can use any LED, no problem. So red LED, I have just double clicked. We need a resistance. A resistance. My computer is a little bit slow. So resistance here, you can use any resistance. So I'm using this first one. So I have selected 3 components that I need. So I'm clicking OK now. So now I will develop the circuit. So I'm clicking this Arduino Uno R3, then clicking here. Yes, so I'm putting this here. And next I need this LED, clicking this and again clicking here. So LED. Second, this resistance, I'm putting it here. So actually I am developing these circuits here. So as you probably noticed that I need to rotate this component. So this is easy, just right click and then rotate clockwise. So here, and then I can also rotate this one. And this rotation is just for a good representation. Not, it is not related to circuits operation. You can understand. So clockwise, and now I need to connect this. So I am using pin number 13. So I will describing later why pin 13. I just clicked here and then clicked here. Again, now I am clicking mouse click here and then here. So this is connected and I need another ground. So ground can be found here, this terminals mode and then ground. So this ground I have clicked here. So I need to click it on the schematic environment. Let it put here. Okay. So now I need to connect these two. So, okay, I may zoom it so that you can have a better view. Okay. So one click is here and then another click is here. So all are connected. So I drawn the basic circuits. Now what I need to do is to upload the program in this board. So if we use hardware, then we generally connect through this USB. We generally connect our computer through this USB, but we are simulating this environment. That's why we need to show the program hex files here. So in order to show this, you need to double click in this. So double clicking. And then this program file here, I need to paste our hex file directory. So previously I have copied the directory. So I am pressing Ctrl V. So here the hex file directory is given. Now I am pressing OK. Okay. So I already uploaded the program. Now the environment is ready, I believe. So all I need to do is run this program. So in order to run this, I need to click here, run this simulation. So clicking, so it will start simulating. That is blinking LED. So here the LED is now on. That is yes, and now it is off. And again it should on. Yes, it is on. So it is blinking. So I have successfully completed my environment, because you know that previously we don't have this Arduino, but we have included Arduino library in Proteus. That's why you can use the Arduino. And then we need to upload the program. In order to upload the program, we generally show the hex files directory. And I also showed you how can you show the hex files directory. So I'm now moving into this lab sheet. So all are mentioned here. Don't worry, you can follow these steps. And if you simulate and finally if you find that your LED is blinking, then your environment is ready to do next experiments. So till then, stay safe.